Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Anker Soundcore Rave Neo SE wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not working for some reason because it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, any kind of issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now if you want to buy a new smaller speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good Soundcore speaker at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is to clear out the pairing history, to delete all the pairing history and restore all the settings to factory defaults, just so that you can set it up as a brand new speaker for whatever reason, and it's really easy to do. With the speaker on, we're just going to come in and we're going to find the Bluetooth button here and the volume up button here. We're just going to press and hold them simultaneously for 8 seconds until the speaker will actually restart. And when it restarts, we can let go of the two buttons and it will restart into its factory default out of the box settings, and you can set this up as a brand new speaker.